The interface across the bottom for this status bar, there's a lot of things down here, and we've seen some new installs in various versions where for whatever reason some of these items might not show up. It could be because it was configured differently from an IT deployment, could be antivirus might have blocked some DLL from registering and it just turned off that item. You got a lot of stuff down here. You've got your coordinates, you've got your various function controls like OSNAP, dynamic input, things like that, annotative capability, workspace control. If you want to make sure you've got everything turned on, or for that fact, if you want to turn a few things off, in the bottom right-hand corner, there's 3 horizontal bars. If you click on that set of bars, it brings up this menu that allows you to pick and choose the items from those icons. So if you think you might be missing something, go right here, make sure everything is checked. Or if you want to clean it up, kind of, get rid of some things you don't use, you can turn those items off here.